રીતે આપણને સમજાયું કે હેમચંદ્રજી કોણ હતા, તે કેવી રીતના તેમણે આ રચના કરી અને એમની લાઈફમાં શું થયું કે જે એમને આવી રીતના કરી આવ્યું છે, આપણી માટે ખાસ એમને મોકલાયું છે. Now it's down to us how we want to actually do this. એટલે આપણી પાસે હવે ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી છે કે આપણે શું કરી શકીએ. એટલે there are a few things that I would like to explain to you, sir. અમે લોકો કેવી રીતના આને આગળ વધારવાના છીએ. ગુરુદેવના થકી આપણને ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી મળી છે કે we have something which is called as the satsang group, which is what we have satsangs on Sunday, we have satsangs on the Monday, and પછી weekends now we have all the shippies and everything. Now there are a couple of things that બધાના માઇન્ડમાં હશે કે what are the benefits of attending this satsang group. કોઈને એવો વિચાર આવ્યો હતો અહીંયા આવ્યો એની પહેલા કોઈના મગજમાં રીતના હતું કે why am I coming here? કોઈ એવો વિચાર કર્યું હતું? Anybody? કે just એમનો જ આવી ગયા હતા? Was there a purpose for coming or we just randomly came in? Nobody? હતું કઈ? હતો બોલો શું હતું એમ? એટલે શેનું જ્ઞાન? Okay. બીજું anybody else? તમે કઈ વિચાર કર્યું? ના ના આજે આવવાનો શું પર્પસ હતો? What we guys do. Okay. Anybody else? Okay. That's the first question કે આપણે લોકો શું કરીએ છીએ, અમે લોકો જે સત્સંગ ગ્રુપમાં છે અમે લોકો શું કરીએ છીએ અને હવે હોપફુલી બીજા પણ જોઈન થશે કરવા માટે. એટલે what are the benefits of the satsang group? And the second question that would have come in the mind is, નહીં કોઈ નતો વિચાર આવ્યો? It's open for everybody, obviously, but okay, just to very, very briefly explain to everybody what are the benefits of actually coming to the satsang group. Okay, we as a satsang group have, like, obviously within a community formed a small nice community where we share, we talk, and there's a lot of things, a lot of open talk that goes around, and a lot of positive that actually comes around it. It is the first thing that comes around is what we have is increasing in the awareness of religion. What is religion? What do you think is religion? શું લાગે છે? Way of life? Anything else? Helping each other. Morals, principles. Vivek.
Know yourself.
One understanding that I got very, very beautiful from one of the books from Vivekananda is that what is religion? Realigning yourself with God? Yeah? Yeah. And who is God? Has anybody thought? Who is God? We never think about religion. We just think, oh, यहाँ जवानों, आप करवानी, आप क्रिया करवानी, ओलू करवानी, पति क्यों तो भागो. Sometimes, oh, आप करूँ पर से, we just don't want to do it. Sometimes it's like that. But no, what is religion? We've never thought about it. So increasing the awareness of what religion is, how religion could be used, and a lot of the times we don't realize that religion is actually a way of life that actually helps you make yourself peaceful. We are peaceful, but what has happened is life માં બધી જે ઉપર નીચે ups and downs આવે છે. What happens is we get blown into all that, and that is what causes this. એટલે increasing your awareness about religion, what it is. The second thing that everybody is shared, જે બધા relate કર્યું હશે કે હમણાં ઓલા ભાઈ જે આવ્યા હતા from ISKCON, he said it's a practical way of living life. It's a manual. આપણે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ ક્યારે પણ કરીએ તો મેન્યુઅલ, કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ યુઝ કરવી હોય, આજે કેટલ પણ યુઝ કરે એની હારે એક મેન્યુઅલ આવે છે. દવા લેવાની હોય તો એની હારે એક નાનકડી અંદર ચિઠ્ઠી આવે, યા કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ. It's a practical way of living your life. And it's not કે એનાથી આપણને શું ફાયદો થશે, પણ આપણે એવી રીતના જીવી તો જોઈએ. ફાયદો જે થશે એ થશે, પણ આપણે એટલી એકવાર કોશિશ તો કરીએ કે આપણે એવી રીતના જીવી શકીએ છીએ કે નહીં. Has anybody actually given life an opportunity to actually do something like that? I haven't. We're trying. People will try. Just આપણે કોશિશ તો કરી છે, એકવાર opportunity આપી છે અને પછી see where we go. And obviously we have experience through our sharing and everything. Like a lot of the things that would actually make us stress a couple of years ago, 3 years ago, 5 years ago. Jyoti Ben experience share kero. Kirti shared. એક બગાસા આવતા હતા, ઊંઘ આવી જતી હતી. Like પ્રમાદ કરીને છોડી દઈએ. And then things have changed. What has actually done? You are the same. There's been no change in yourself. But there is something, some kind of transformation that's actually happened. And that's actually driven it. Just give yourself an opportunity and see where you can get to. And then, this is another one. Enable us to make religion, Riti, a way of life. Again, the same thing. I don't have to say a lot because ઘણી બધી વસ્તુઓ આપણે આજે શેર કરી ચૂક્યા છે. એટલે ઘણી બધી વસ્તુઓ વાતમાં one way or the other it has already come. So, and what do you think could be a higher purpose in life? Can anybody actually think of what a higher purpose in life could be? What is moksha? What is liberation? But how do you know that you're born again? But see, these are things we've not experienced. We're talking books. Has anybody actually has it on experience level? Anybody can raise their hand and say, yeah, I have experienced this. અમે ક્યાં કીધું કે મોક્ષ એક્સપિરિયન્સ થયો છે? અમે એમ કહીએ છીએ કે કોઈ આવી રીતના એક્સપિરિયન્સ કર્યું છે? હા, આપણી વાત કરીએ. What we are trying to say is કે situations આવે, આપણે કોઈ પણ સમજાવે, just as an example લઈએ. એક કોઈ સાધારણ મનુષ્ય છે, એની પાસે પૈસા નથી, but he's dreamt big. And at one time he goes really, really big. There would be some driving force that's actually made that dream or that purpose, that strength of purpose. આપણે બધા એવા situation માંથી પાસ થયા છે. And we have actually attained that higher bit. Yeah, has everybody done that? Has everybody been through that kind of ups and downs in life? Yeah, but અહીંયા higher purpose શું છે? What is the higher purpose? Yeah, but we've not experienced that, so we need to try and this is a process. Once we go through the process, once we experience it, then we know where we are going. Okay? Oh.
કોકિલા મોદીને મિસ કરીને ઇવેન્ટમાં એ હાયર પર્પસ કહેવાય.
Higher purpose કહેવાય, definitely. That's a perfect one. બીજું ફ્રાઈડે ના ઘણા બધા લોકોના બીજા ઘણા બધા પ્રોગ્રામ્સ હોય છે. Left that and you come here. And we have learning and sharing. Yeah? Learning and sharing, which you've already seen how we've shared and everything. And then, okay. How to join the satsang group? Now there are two ways that we have the satsang shibirs that we have on the weekends, and then we have the Monday satsang group. There are two ways. Okay. Now this is the one how we can participate in the satsang shibir, which is generally on the weekends. Okay. And at this point in time, there is going to be 18 shibirs, but not more than 4 satsangs at the moment. No, not more than 4 satsangs per shibir. And it is always going to be conducted on a weekend. Okay? A lot of the times, અત્યારે તો આપણને જ્યારે ખબર છે કે 24 ભગવાનના ઉપરના દેવચંદ્રજી 24 છે. The other thing that we also have is that શિબિર જે આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ થવાની છે, Gurudev generally does a recap. Either if it's a new start of the new shibir, he will generally sometimes do a recap from the previous shibir, or if it's a new satsang, then he generally does a recap from the previous satsang. But there is a less chance that if somebody, for any reason, if you miss any of the satsangs, it's fine. Like Vijay કીધું કે we got discontinued. અમે લોકો વચ્ચે અમે લોકો થોડું છોડી દીધું ને, પછી અમને જવાનું મન જ ન થયું. It's not like that. You will get that pull ધીમે ધીમે. You will understand કે ભાઈ આવી રીતના અહીંયાથી આટલું થયું છે, fine, but next satsangમાં recap થવાનું છે, so you can still join in. And then sometimes if you miss out also, there is a Monday satsang. You can always join in the Monday satsang, and Monday satsang you can get the feedback. You can get the recap of things. Okay? એટલે અત્યારના આ બધી dates ને બધી confirm આવી ગઈ છે. People who want to join in and want to come in, we'll give all the information with regards to that. અને પછી the Monday study group. Monday study group, I don't have to say anything. People have been coming, they've been experiencing. Kirti has been giving them amazing time recently. The gist of all the satsangs from the Shibir will actually be given, all the points will be discussed, and we try and do it to the entirety. Like જેટલું detail માં આપણે કરી શકીએ, જેટલું practical application કરી શકીએ, એટલું આપણે બધા use કરી શકીએ છે. અને પછી the knowledge gained is practically applied and the experiences are shared. જે અત્યારે આપણે experiences share કર્યા એવી રીતના. અને there's obviously Kirtiની પાસેથી જે રીતના આપણે જ્યારે વાત કરી કે Kirti the way he shares and the way he talks and બધા માટલી ફોડી નાખે છે, exactly એવી રીતના. And the main thing of these satsang, the Monday satsang, they are timely. They are like 8:15 now we generally start, and that's precisely when we start at 10:15 we exactly finish. So if somebody wants to just finish and get off, okay, just get off. We finish at 10:15. Okay? And anybody has any questions or anything? How?
I think just we could have taken questions, but we got a question session afterwards, and we're about 10-15 minutes out. So just time ma pati jai ne. So Nimesh is trying to change the laptop to put the DVD on now. Okay, but he's